This is a story about a town when one night the snow came down. Here's Mrs. Smith, she's off shopping, and Mr. Burt is off to the pub to get himself some Christmas grub. Now we're at Victoria Station that brings people in from all over the nation. The train's arrived at platform 2. Here's Mr. Green, the ticket inspector, talking to Bill, who works at the mill. He's with his wife, Mrs. Brown. They're just off shopping in the town. And right at the end, there's young Arthur. Give him a wave. Hello, Arthur. All aboard, shouts Mr. Green. The train's all loaded, ready to go. They don't want to get stuck in the snow. The town's completely different of a night when the lights come on to our delight. So let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the Christmas lights on.